In this exercise, we will learn the Polygonal Tool, Line Tool, and Custom Shape Tool. Okay, if I right-click on the Rectangle tool, we can see the Polygonal Tool underneath the Ellipse tool. Or we can press Shift and U to select this tool. Okay, I have selected this tool now. I single-click on the screen, and then we have the Open Option dialog box. We can put in width, height, number of sides, smooth corner, and a star shape. Okay, let's cancel that. We're going to draw our own custom shape here. We now have the Shape option and Path and Pixels. Let's select the Shape option, and we can fill and stroke from here. We have almost all the same settings that we have had in our previous exercises. I think we are now familiar with all these options. Okay, here we have the Sides options. Sides means how many corners will be in the shape. If I choose 6 and click and draw it, something like this, we have 6 corners. And if I make it 10 and then draw it, we now have 10 corners on this shape. We can change the size by clicking the Move tool, something like this. So we can draw shapes using the Polygonal tool. Okay, next we have the Line tool. Let's try this now. Let's delete these layers and make a new layer. If I click and drag this line, something like that, we've created a line. And we can create as many lines as we want, something like that. Okay, now we have the Fill option. We can choose any color or we can choose no fill. We also have the Choose Any Color on the Stroke option. Okay, let's zoom in and we can see the fill and the stroke line very clearly. And we can adjust the width from here. All right, next we have the Custom Shape tool. Let's select this tool like this. Or we can also press Shift and U to switch tools and select this tool. When we use this tool, we can create any shape we want. All the settings are the same. We can now, from here, choose any shape and drag it, something like this. And we can add more shapes by clicking on the gear icon and choose All. And now we can see we have many different shapes that are available and we can use them in graphics. All right, in the next exercise, we will learn the Hand tool.